Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the labor summary report. This is a report to go to if you want to see in bulk what your labor hours are for the store, your overtime hours, how much it's costing you, that sort of thing. So I'm on the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us, and I went to the menu icon here at the top left, and went to reports, and I'm on labor summary. Now, most of these reports are also available on the workstation, so you can view this on the workstation as well. All you need to do is sign in to the workstation and go to the menu up here at the top right, and then go to reports. And then you'll notice over here on the left, you should see all your reports there. As usual, we got the export button up here at the top right. So if you need to export to PDF or CSV, you can do that here, or you can print it. And then we have the date range here. You can use the arrows on the side to go day by day, or you can click here in the date range and it'll bring up your calendar where you have some quick select buttons here. If you just want to see last 7 days or just yesterday or last month, you can do that. Or you can choose an individual day and hit run. Or if you need to choose a date range, say for example, I want to see the 19th through the 21st. I click on the 19th first, and then the 21st the second time, and then I click run. It'll show me those totals here. Now, I did notice in this summary report here that some people may not catch. If you choose a date range of multiple days, it's going to give you a slightly different layout. So it's going to give you your summary here, and then it's going to give you your totals by job. And if you set up the labor categories, for example, I did back of house, front of house, set that up there. If you don't know how to set that up, go look at my other video on that. And then it breaks it down per day. But if I go do a report for just one day, let's say choose March 21st, then it actually breaks it down a little more. Since it's just having to do one day instead of multiple days, it's going to break it down by hour as well. So if you're looking for something a little more fine-tuned, and by the way, I know these numbers look ridiculous, but just keep in mind this is just a training testing site. So these are not real numbers. They're fake. Now, also in this, there is some interaction with it, but not a whole lot. Like I can click on breakfast here, and it just takes me down to breakfast. Or if I click on lunch, it'll take me down to lunch. That's about all the interaction it has with it. But you're going to be able to see your regular hours, your overtime hours, your labor cost, your fixed cost, your total cost, item sales, the item labor percentages, ticket sales, ticket labor percentage, and labor cost share percentage. So it just kind of depends on what you're looking for, on whether or not you're going to be able to find it here or not. So if you have it down, or if you just have it pinpointed to one day, there's quite a bit of information in here. Because I'm scrolling quite a bit on this versus just choosing a certain date range. Let's go back to the date range again, look at that. We'll go back to through the 21st and run. Yeah, a lot less data pulled up here because it's just summarizing it at this point. Well, that's all I can think of to show you on this report. So I hope this video was helpful. That's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.